A couple weeks ago, Eric issued a challenge. He wants me to create a dollar store tablescape. He didn't think that I could do it, so I accepted his challenge. I went to the dollar store, I picked out some really cute items, and I put this tablescape together for fall and Thanksgiving. So join me as we do a tour of my Dollar Tree fall tablescape. So here is our tablescape, and I stuck to the orange, red, and fall kind of colors for this tablescape. My silverware came from my own collection. That was one thing I didn't want to purchase from the Dollar Tree. The plates, the chargers, the bowls, the glasses, and a lot of things in the centerpiece are all from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree sells different kinds of chargers. These I was lucky enough to find at one Dollar Tree, but sometimes you have to get them on their website because they have some gold chargers that are a lot plainer than these. So that's how I got those. So we have an orange plate. We have a green napkin that came out of my existing collection. And the runner I got from Amazon. And I'll leave links to that in the description. So these cute little owls I got a couple years ago at the Dollar Tree. I used a smoky bowl to go along, as well as these leaf glasses, wine glasses, and then either one for juice, water, or whatever someone wants to use it for. These candles are not Dollar Tree, but the orange container that the candlestick is on top is the Dollar Tree. The candlesticks are not Dollar Tree. I can't find anything that I really like there, so I used my existing candlesticks. And I got these little farmers at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago, and I also stuck this Dollar Tree pumpkin on top of a candlestick. So here's Eric's pumpkin out of his garden. I wanted to put that in there. And here is the turkey that Eric threw me for a loop with that I had to include. I placed it on top of a Dollar Tree orange bowl. They had these metal words, thankful and harvest. So I added those and leaned them on these turkeys, as well as that candle. The candlestick did not come from the Dollar Tree. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at my Dollar Tree tablescape for the fall and Thanksgiving. I'm going to be doing a couple other tablescapes. I'm going to be doing a full-on tablescape for Thanksgiving. It is a tablescape that I've been working all this time really to put together for our Thanksgiving dinner. I'm also going to do another combo tablescape with some of the items that I bought that I really couldn't decide on. I'm going to put together another one, hopefully before the end of, before Thanksgiving. So look for that. I will have that up as well. I hope you're having a great start to the holiday season. It's Wednesday actually today, so what's up? And I hope you have a great week. I hope you're starting to think about the holiday season ahead of us. We have a lot of stuff going on in the next couple of months. We have fall, we have Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's, plus more holidays in between. So I hope you are starting to enjoy the beginning of this holiday season for 2019. We do have 2020 coming up, if you can believe that. So let's celebrate. Let's have a good time. Let's get rid of all that stress. Let's get rid of everything and just have a great time. Enjoy cooking. Enjoy celebrating. Enjoy hanging with your family. And me and Eric, we both want to wish you an absolutely fabulous holiday season. And we're looking forward to having some fun videos coming up. So stay tuned.